Fishing for me started out as an 8-year-old, catching flounder off of the piers of Miami. It quickly turned from a hobby to a passion to an obsession, leading me to represent Ohio State this summer at the 2018 FLW College National Bass Fishing Championship. Now I have the opportunity to turn this single fishing trip into an epic 2-month fishing adventure, and I'm bringing you guys along with me.
We're producing over 40 episodes that follow us from fly fishing for trout to bass fishing the most popular lakes in the country, surf fishing the coast of North Carolina, targeting reds in the Gulf, and traveling all the way to Cape Cod to hammer on striper. Throughout the 2 months, I'll be using ANGLR to record everything, sharing detailed trip summaries, live replays of each location, and all of my catches and waypoints through my ANGLR profile, so you'll be able to track my trip stats and relive every experience for yourself. I'm Jacob Jasonic, and this is the ANGLR Tour.